Have you ever wondered why your dog spins in circles before lying down, or why they tilt their head when you talk to them? Dog behavior is not random. It is deeply rooted in biology, evolution, and communication. In this video, we are going to break down some of the most common dog behaviors and explain exactly what they mean. Head tilting. One of the most recognizable dog behaviors is the head tilt. When a dog hears an unfamiliar sound or a word they associate with something like walk or treat, they tilt their head to one side. Research suggests dogs do this for two reasons. First, it helps them better locate the direction of a sound by adjusting the position of their ears. Second, for dogs with longer snouts, tilting their head gives them a clearer line of sight to read human facial expressions. This behavior is also associated with attentiveness. A dog that tilts its head is actively trying to understand you, which is a sign of high social intelligence. Circling before lying down. If you have ever watched a dog circle its sleeping spot 2 or 3 times before lying down, you are watching an ancient instinct in action. Wild canines, the ancestors of domestic dogs, would trample grass or foliage to create a flat, comfortable resting spot. Circling also helped them check for any hidden insects or threats in the area. Even though your dog sleeps on a couch or a cushion, that instinct has been preserved over thousands of years of evolution. It is completely normal behavior. The tail, more than happiness. Most people assume a wagging tail means a happy dog, but tail position and movement actually communicate a wide range of emotions. Here is what the science tells us. A high, stiff tail signals alertness or dominance. A low or tucked tail indicates fear or submission. A tail wagging more to the right is associated with positive emotions, like seeing a familiar owner. A tail wagging more to the left is associated with negative emotions, like encountering a stranger. This left-right asymmetry in tail wagging was confirmed in a 2013 study published in Current Biology, and it reflects the brain's hemispheric processing of emotions. Dogs can also detect these differences in each other, suggesting tail position is a sophisticated form of interspecies communication. Yawning as communication. Dogs yawn for more reasons than fatigue. In canine communication, yawning is a calming signal, a deliberate behavior used to de-escalate tension. If a dog yawns when being approached by a stranger or during a stressful situation, it is not because they are bored. They are signaling that they mean no harm and are trying to reduce conflict. Dog trainer and researcher Turid Rugas documented this in her work on canine body language, identifying over 30 calming signals dogs use, including yawning, lip licking, and looking away. Understanding these signals allows us to be better, more empathetic owners. Sniffing, the primary sense. Dogs experience the world primarily through smell. Their olfactory system has approximately 300 million scent receptors, compared to around 6 million in humans. The part of the brain dedicated to analyzing smells is 40 times larger in dogs than in humans, proportionally speaking. When a dog sniffs a fire hydrant or a patch of grass, they are reading a detailed chemical record, which animals pass by, when, their health status, stress level, and reproductive state. Sniffing is not just exploration. It is how dogs gather information, reduce anxiety, and make sense of their environment. This is why allowing dogs to sniff on walks is important for their mental well-being, not just a habit to be rushed. Dog behavior is a complex and fascinating field of study. Every habit, posture, and sound your dog makes is a form of communication shaped by millions of years of evolution. The more we understand what dogs are telling us, the stronger the bond we can build with them.